Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to never miss any update.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to create a library in Windows. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, right-click on Libraries, and then go to New. And then click on Library. And then write the name which you want to create. Wow! Now your new library is ready. If you find it useful, then hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And do check the description, I have put all the links. So bye bye, we'll see you in the next and exciting video.